Children, in this coordinate geometry revision, we are going to discuss important point, that is distance formula, section formula, centroid formula and their examples. So first of all, distance formula. If points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 lie on the xy plane, then distance between PQ is given by under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This can be also written as, or PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square for calculation easy purpose. Also, P, you can write PQ square is equal to x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. So by using this for distance formula, we can find the distance between any 2 points. So let us see one example. Find the distance between the point P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3. Now let us denote x1, y1. P are x1, y1 and point Q are x2, y2. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 7 and y2 is equal to 3. Now write down the formula, that is distance PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now put the values. So you will get under root 4 square plus under root minus 4 square, that is equal to under root 16 plus 16, that is under root 32. It can be written as 16 into 2, that is 4 root 2. Therefore, distance between point P and Q is 4 root 2 units. Now we will discuss collinear points. If the sum of any two distances out of distance AB, distance BC and distance AC is equal to the third, then the 3 point ABC are collinear. That means if distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC, or distance BC plus distance AC is equal to distance AB, then also the points are collinear. Now let's move towards the section formula. The coordinates of the point which divides the line segment join two distinct points x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n. Means then are the coordinates are given by the formula, that is xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now let us see one example. Find the coordinate of point P if P divides the line segment joining the point A minus 1 7 and B 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2s to 3, as shown in the diagram, that P divides the AB into 2 is to 3. So AP is equal to 2 and PB is equal to 3. Now let the coordinate P be the xy, and here x1 is equal to minus 1, x2 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to minus 7 and y2 is equal to minus 3, and m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Now by the section formula, put these values in the section formula, where x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Therefore, by solving it, you will get 5 upon 5, that is equal to 1. Therefore, x coordinate is 1. Similarly, we will find the y coordinate. Y coordinate my2 plus ny1 is upon m plus n. Now putting the value properly, you will get the, after solving, answer is equal to 15 upon 5, that is 3. Therefore, y coordinate is 3. Therefore, the coordinate of point P are 1 and 3. Now let's move toward the midpoint formula. The coordinate of the midpoint of a line segment joining the two distinct points x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given by the formula pxy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Means here m is 1 and n is also 1, because midpoint divides in the ratio 1 is to 1. Now let us see one example. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the segment joining the point 22 and 20 and 0, 16. These are the 2 points and we have to find the midpoint of that. So let the coordinates of midpoint P be xy. Now we will find pxy. Here x1 is equal to 22, x2 is equal to 0, y1 is 20 and y2 is equal to 16. Therefore by midpoint formula put the values. So you will get the x coordinate is equal to 11, and then similarly we will find the y coordinate. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore after solving you will get 18. Therefore coordinate of midpoint P are 11 and 18. Now let's move toward the centroid formula. Here G is the centroid. So if x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle, then we can find the coordinates of centroid by the formula. X coordinate as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y coordinate as y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, where G is the centroid. Now let us see one example. This is important one. G centroid coordinates are given, and if the point and vertices 2 given, and we have to find the coordinate of third vertices. So let us see how to solve. First of all we will draw the diagram. Now like that we have to find the coordinates of C. Here centroid coordinates are we are going to find the vertices C. So let the centroid G are the xy, and but we have given that -4 and -7. Therefore x is equal to -4 and -7. Now here x1, let x1 is equal to -14, x2 is equal to 3, y1 is -19, y3 is equal to 5, and we have to find x3 and y3. Now by the centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Now put the values. As we know, x is equal to -4 equal to -14 plus 3 plus x3 upon 3. Now solve this for the value of x3. Therefore by the following the step you will get x3 is equal to 1. Okay, their steps are properly given, so you can follow that step. Therefore x3 is equal to -1. Therefore x coordinate of C is -1. Similarly by the centroid formula, y for solving y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Now put the values. Therefore y is equal to -7, and then y1 is -19 plus 5 plus y3 upon 3. Now simplifying the equation for the y3, we will get the value of y3 is equal to -7. So the coordinate of the third vertices of the triangle ABC are -1 and -7. Hope you understand the concept properly. Thank you for watching the video.